To customize quick settings on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first we need to go to Quick Settings panel, and then we can just simply tap on this pen in the upper right corner. Now in here we can change position of these tiles and buttons and shortcuts that we have in here. So if you want to change the position of something, you can just press and hold your finger on that section, on that button or whatever it is, and then you can drag it around, of course, over here, and you can place it anywhere. In many of these cases, you can also change the size of a button or a section. Like, for example, in the case of these buttons, we can make it a little bit tinier, like that. In the case of these sliders in here, then also we can make it tinier, but there are certain limits. Unfortunately, we cannot make it, for example, much bigger. You can also remove something that you don't need by using this minus in the upper left corner. Also, we have this expandable area, and the area itself can be bigger if you want to. And you can also tap on Edit in order to find, of course, all of these shortcuts that have been added. Of course, at the bottom of the screen, we also have Add a Control option, where we can add more stuff into Quick Settings. For example, if you want to add like a wallet button or something, you can just simply tap on it, and then it's going to be added to the first available spot. You can also, of course, adjust its size as before. You can change its position, and so on and so forth. And on the other hand, you can also press and hold your finger on a shortcut, and then you can drag and drop it anywhere. So for example, you can add something to this expandable area or anywhere else in this control center. And there we go. Of course, we can adjust the position of these shortcuts in expandable area as well. You can move these buttons around if needed. Once you are done with these settings, you should be able to tap on Done in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.